And so the outcome of that is a beautiful table, right? With your topics, top to bottom, and then your ways to talk about a topic left to right. What we'll do, we go and ask ChatGPT again to create a content matrix for us. So what we do, we'll go and say, hey, I want you to generate content ideas for me. To generate ideas, I want you to imagine a content matrix table. So it is a table where the X contains types of content, ways to expand on the topic, and the Y is all the content topic. And then we paste all the topics and we paste all the content themes for ChatGPT. And we say then, now I want you to write this table and write out the content idea at the intersection of X and Y. So for example, a content idea matching the topic of content strategy with the content type, how can people do it, would be 7 things you need to know how to create your content strategy. That's an intersection of the topic and the theme or the way to talk about that topic. And so the outcome of that is a beautiful table, right? With your topics, top to bottom, and then your ways to talk about a topic left to right.